this front was a little more than expected. I thought both headlights were fine, but I guess not. This fender's also screwed up in that one too, but I thought they were fine as well. But gonna have to cut a new quarter in there. It's pretty wrinkled.
Production.
The headlights, I thought they were good. On the pictures they look good, but I need both. It was pretty productive. I painted this thing. This thing actually had a quarter panel welded in about, I don't know, right here. Someone sectioned it in, like the back part, but so I just, you know, I'm buffing it, making it look nice. Gotta hang this bumper back. Yeah, so with the S4 we got pretty far. I mean, we kind of figured out what's broken, what's not broken, and now I can start ordering parts. Here's my Muslim friend. My Muslim friend just pulled up.
What's up, boss?
He brings me all the junk cars.
What's up with those junk cars, man?
This is his
There we go.
your
Almost
little
done?
nah, another couple weeks. So we're going on to day 2 today. I've been taking apart the interior. So right here I want to show you guys how far this thing went. So I took this seat out, but so as you can see right there, there's a buckle, and that's right about that inside buckle is right about there, right in the middle. So I called the guys over at the junkyard, and they have this quarter panel there. They're gonna be cutting it out. So what they're gonna do on that junk car is they're gonna cut it about from here all the way to the seat, and then they're gonna go diagonally right out to the dog leg. Now I want to section in this dog leg right past this body line. I don't want to bondo. I want to leave these body lines as they are. So it's gonna get sectioned about here, and I told them to just stop right at the glass. That way we don't have to get under the roof. So about here, and that's gonna keep going through to this seam. I've never taken apart an Audi this much, you know. Especially in the back, this interior crap is driving me crazy. But over here, so when you pull this out, I'll show you. As soon as I pull it out, this design here. Let me see if it'll... Yeah, so that there. So that little bar starts right there in that little divot, and you gotta ride it out, you know, to get that thing out. So you wanna do that for all four, and this thing should pop right out. This is my pile of interior. I honestly don't know what to do with it. I'm probably gonna bring it home so it doesn't get dusty. Man, this thing's ready to go to frame. I've been organizing everything. Like, this box is for the trunk, this box is for the trunk, that is for the trunk, and that's all for the trunk. So everything's organized. Alright, boys and girls, this is gonna be the end for part one. What I'm gonna do is try to get everything organized, get rid of all the junk, and get this thing to frame. So next time you see this car, I should have the front radiator support, radiators, fans, all that's going back on. This should be done, cut in a new piece. I should be bondoing this already. I mean, by the end of this week, I hope. The main issue is just parts, getting parts. I'm getting this quarter panel Wednesday. This thing's gonna be on the frame machine hopefully this week. Hopefully Thursday I can drop it off, pick it up Saturday, work on it Saturday. We'll see. Hopefully this front end comes back together pretty quick. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you next time.